Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Good morning, guys. I am currently waiting on my food to get out. I'm going to run a quick little errand. So it is Monday, 9:12 in the morning. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick errand. I need to stop by my old job, or my job, a part-time job, because I haven't been there in 3 weeks to see what's going on. As well as I kind of want to hold off, because y'all know I got this another department I'm trying to switch over to. So if I get that, I'm not gonna probably even go back. So part of me saying don't worry about it, but also I done been waiting on my W-2, so I'm not sure. I need to call and see if they, matter of fact, I'm gonna call and see if they send it to the store. If they, I can do that, or I have them send it to the house again, because it should have been here by now. Hold on one second. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir. Alright, let's get this back. Oh. Hold on. So I'm done with my errand. I got my W-2 for my job. I did end up going in. They did have it. It was not mailed. It was mailed to the store. So I got that so I can finish my taxes. I'm gonna run over here to actually TJ Maxx. Look up some bath rugs because we need it. I just have this little OCD thing that now that, like, I don't want my feet to touch the floor, and then the rugs that we did have, I don't like those. Those are like cheap, shaggy rugs. They shed, so I threw them away. So I am headed to TJ Maxx to see if I can find something like that memory foam or something like that, like a better rug. And I need it in black because the decor in the bathroom is black and white. So I'm not gonna do white, so I'm gonna do black. So let's go inside and see what they have at TJ Maxx, and then I'm probably gonna head on home, y'all. So let's go inside. I just parked. Alright, so they didn't have, like I said, they had a rug, but the bath rug was $24.99 or $29.99, but I could find something cheaper somewhere else. So I am headed back to my side of town. Ooh, it's like 11 something now. So let me put my seatbelt on, get settled in, and head back to my side of town. I'll get back with you guys when I actually get home, or get back to my side. She got those nice little stands, and she got it for kind of a good price too. But not stands, they're bar stools. But let me get back to my side of town, and I'll get back with you guys. See you guys in a minute.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hi guys. This is me come to you with a new vlog. This is just gonna be a day in my life vlog. So just hopefully this is gonna be today. I just got finished getting ready. I am finna to go to the grocery store, and really not too much really planned today because it is raining outside. So it's like a gloomy day. So yeah, I showed you guys what I have on. I had put this wig on. I forgot what this wig is from, but I put it on last night. I got this dress from Walmart. It's like a, let's see. It's like a little dress that was like $1, $2. It was on clearance. And as far as shoes, cause it's raining, I'm not sure what I'm gonna actually put on my feet. But yeah, let me get ready to head out the door. I just finished literally getting ready, and it is currently 11:40. So I need to go ahead and get ready because I don't want to be out there because I think it's going to be raining today and tomorrow, honestly. So I don't want to be out too long. So I'll get back to you guys when I get in the car. Give me a really good feeling all day long. Alright, y'all. So I made it in the car, as you guys can see. So I am headed to probably Wally World first to get some stuff for the week. This is just gonna be a daily vlog because I'm trying to switch things up with my channel for real. And I'm trying to be more consistent, intentional, and basically be mindful for what I put out, how I edit, and all of that. So yeah, because I've been going through some things, and I'm really trying to document my journey, y'all, because trying to stay positive. One thing is that opportunity that I had, or I told you guys that I had, I'm not sure if it's even on the table no more because we just did a yearly review and raises and stuff. So I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why I haven't heard. Well, I heard back from the manager and I heard back from the recruiter and everything was going good. But I don't know. It may not fall through like I thought it would. Let's put it like that. So yeah, dealing with that and trying to stay positive, goals and things that I want to do, and yeah, it's a lot right now. So I'm trying to be more intentional in how I edit, how I put things up. So that's another reason why I'm trying to do a reset of this 75 soft. So as you guys know, I think the last vlog that I put up, I ended up getting sick that week that I started. The day 2, it was when I got sick, and I was out for the whole week. Like, I didn't have an appetite, and then I don't know what it was. Just I guess something I ate, or I don't know what it was. It was a bug that lasted the whole week, so I haven't been doing it. I'm not gonna lie. So, but that's part of the journey. Sometimes things happen and you stop and reset. Thing is that you get up and try again. So I guess this is what this part of this daily vlog is. It's just me just documenting like my real life stuff that I go through, things that happen, and just being more intentional with it instead of just, I don't know, just trying to be real, authentic, and just get used to, like, even with getting used to the camera and stuff, that's still, this smaller camera, this Digi, has helped a lot in that, because I can I feel more comfortable walking in the stores and stuff with this camera than with my Sony. So, in my other Digi, it was okay, I liked it, but this is like a lot better. Like, I can see myself more, and I don't know, and I'm more motivated a little bit. And then, like, even with me, like, sometimes thinking about starting to get more active on other social media, like at Reels and TikToks and stuff. I don't know how to do Reels. Like, I'm very self-conscious. That's one thing about me. Like, I'm very self-conscious of how I look on camera, and I don't know, this journey that I'm on is just, I'm trying to heal from all that. But I'm very self-conscious a lot of things, and some things I do is like it don't look right, and I'm very, which I know everybody is their worst critic, but I think sometimes I could be that I know that holds me back from doing stuff. So just trying to do little reels and stuff and trying to learn how to get into that, and editing better and being more intentional, and actually, because to be honest, my vlogs that I post, when I never like go back and watch it for getting the end. Like, I don't like seeing myself on camera. I know it's weird, but sometimes I don't like seeing myself on camera. I don't take a lot of pictures. I'm just like a very introverted person when it comes to a lot of things. So, and I need gas, and I think this gas is still high. So I think the exit where I'm going to Walmart on, I'm gas from over there. So yeah, I'm all good. But anyway, I don't want this to be too long. Let me get back with you guys when I get to Walmart.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true, I'm digging you.
Alright, y'all, so I don't know if y'all can right, hear me. I am looking for the school supplies because there's like something I want to start doing for myself, and so I will need some sticky notes and probably look at some pens and stuff. So that's what I'm looking for now, is that. So where is the school? I think I found it. Hold on a second. So I'm gonna get these Post-it notes, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. These are, I didn't want the big ones. I don't need the big ones. These are a good size. So these are, how many? 400. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with this. So let me look at some pens. Do I see any cute pens? Matter of fact, here's some pens right here. Hold on. I bet. Alright, so I think I found this some regular pens. These pens, no sticky notes. I see some cute little journals here too. Let me show you the journals. This is a journal. I see. They got some good journals over here. Hold on, let me show y'all all of them.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you.
So I am back in the car from Walmart. I got what I needed out of there. I didn't need too much. I got what I needed out of there. Y'all know what I got. I'll tell y'all or show y'all when I get home. So as of right now, what am I doing is getting ready to go to Publix. So yeah, I don't know what's all I gotta get from there, but since I'm right here, well, first I'm getting some gas. I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'm gonna get the Publix, and I'm gonna head home. So it's not too much. I'm trying to make it down. But yeah, that looks like what's going on right now. So yeah, let me get this gas. Alright, y'all, so I am headed back to the crib. I didn't vlog inside Publix because it was too packed in there. And it started really raining real hard when I went inside, so yeah. But I just got some fruits, and then I got some water that had some of their smart water, the alkaline one, buy one get one free. I got 2 of those because I'm trying to get my water intake, and I'm trying to drink alkaline water because the benefits instead of just regular water. I did get a regular case of water for the house though. But yeah. Oh, okay, look, Nissan Speedy Gonzalez. What else did I get? I got some more body oil, so when I take my baths, I can put the oil in and water. I got some treats and some bananas. But that's pretty much what I got. So I'm headed to the crib now. When I get settled in the crib, I'll update you guys what I'm doing next. But like I say, we're kind of going with the flow, not too much plan for today. But yeah, let me get back to the crib. Where's my phone go? Oh, my phone. But let me get back to the crib, hop on this highway, and I'll be back with you guys. So I am back in action. I'm home. This is what I got. Some sticky notes, the little small, I don't know what size these are. And I'm going to, starting probably tomorrow, write a positive affirmation or something about myself, and I'm going to stick it. I'm going to try to do it for the next 75 days, every morning or sometime in the day, and I'm going to post it on my wall and leave it there. That affirmation to look back on. These are a pack of 400. I dropped the other one. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to use these, put these right here. Got me some pens, so that's what I'm going to do with this. Yeah. And what I'm doing now is watching some Hulu and really like straighten up my desk. I did put my headband back on to help my legs down. Like I said, it's kind of rainy outside, so I don't want it to like lift or move back or anything. So I'll just keep that on my head for the day. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, what I got from the store. I already put all that up. I got some rotisserie chicken. What else? I got some alkaline water, case of water, some sparkling water, some grapes. What else I get from? Oh, the dog food. Oh, I think that's pretty much it. Not too much, but yeah, I got that. So I didn't want to show y'all that because I see that every week me going through my groceries. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Just me watching TV. Just want to check up with you guys. I'll probably check up on you guys a little bit later on. I do want to probably do a face mask and find a book. Well, I already got the book. Read my book for today and journal. So that's pretty much what's going on. So I'll see you guys a little bit later on.